Gate.io Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. Gate.io is one of the longest standing crypto exchanges, founded in 2013, and it has evolved into a feature-packed platform that caters to both beginners and advanced traders. In this review, I'll share my experience using it, focusing on its key features, usability, and who it's best suited for. Gate.io offers access to over 1,500 cryptocurrencies, making it ideal for those looking to trade a wide variety of assets. Its trading interface is robust, featuring spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading with up to 100x leverage. One of its standout features is the Startup IEO platform, where you can participate in new token launches. The platform also boasts staking and lending options, allowing users to earn passive income from their holdings. Security is another highlight. Gate.io employs features like cold storage, multi-signature wallets, and two-factor authentication. It's further strengthened by its proof of reserves audit, ensuring transparency about user funds. For ease of access, the mobile app is intuitive and mirrors most of the desktop platform's features. That said, Gate.io isn't for everyone. Beginners might find the array of options overwhelming at first, but the exchange does provide educational resources and a demo account to practice trading without risk. The fee structure is competitive, 0.2% for spot trades, reduced for high-volume traders, or users holding GT, the native token. However, keep in mind that withdrawal fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency. My experience with Gate.io has been smooth, especially when it comes to trade execution and accessing niche altcoins. Customer support is available 24/7, although response times could be faster. One downside is that the platform isn't fully regulated in certain regions, so always check your local compliance before signing up. In summary, Gate.io is a great fit for experienced traders looking for extensive crypto options, advanced tools, and earning opportunities. For beginners willing to invest time in learning, the platform offers immense potential. While not perfect, it's a solid and versatile exchange that has earned its spot in the crypto trading ecosystem.